Hello to my lovely audience around the globe. I hope you all are doing great. I am back with some awesome DIY hacks that you can apply to become a fashion icon. Whether you are a girl or a boy, you do not have to wear old-fashioned clothes. You can customize them according to modern clothing fashion. So, boys and girls, are you guys ready? In this video, you will learn some cool DIY hacks and tricks. Let's not waste time and see the videos. For girls. Girl t-shirt hacks. You can transform your old and boring t-shirts into exciting and attractive clothing. Wait till you watch these hacks. Because after watching them, you will never waste the tease. Number 1. Front tie crop top. Take the t-shirt and cut it from the bottom side. Cut it from the neck to make a wide design for the top. For the arms, you will need a thread and a needle. Make sure you use the same thread color that the t-shirt has. Fold the arm side slightly to the shoulder and make stitches using the needle. It will help to make the puffy sleeves. Repeat the same process with the other arm. Now, make all the sides of the shirt clean and smooth. Cut the front part of the shirt into 2 sides. Wear the shirt and tie the front sides. Number 2. Sleeveless top. This time, you are going to create a sleeveless crop top from a shirt. Take the shirt and cut down the sleeves. Also, cut the bottom part of the shirt. Do not forget to cut it from the neck part. Your tee will convert into a little strappy shirt. Be careful with the next part. Cut the strap from the top and make the shirt smooth by stitching it with a machine. Wear the top and tie the knots of the strap. It will become a funky sleeveless top. Number 3. One side arm top. How can we forget the one arm top using a t-shirt? Take your shirt and cut it down from the bottom side to make a crop top. Now, cut one sleeve of the shirt entirely from the shoulder. Do not cut the neck part from that side. From the other side, cut the sleeve part along with the neck area in a diagonal shape. It will help to create an attractive top with beautiful arm styling. Stitch all the sides to make the shirt clean and smooth. Wear it and feel like you are wearing a branded style. Skirt and top from the coat. You can make a skirt and a crop top using one coat. Take the coat and cut it equally from the top. Wear the lower side like a skirt and button it up. You do not have to worry about the rough part of the cutting because you can fold it inside. Wear the short coat as a crop top and a shirt and add court shoes to your feet to make yourself look attractive. Crop top from a mini dress. If you have worn your mini dress on all occasions, it is time to make something attractive out of it using your creativity. Take the mini dress and cut the bottom side to make a crop top. Start cutting the neck area into a V-shaped design to make it look beautiful. You can also cut an entire sleeve in a diagonal shape. Wear the top with jeans or denim shorts. The pair will look amazing. Tell your friends it is from a famous brand and they will believe it. Dress shirt design. You can create fascinating designs with regular shirts. Do not forget to tell me in the comment section after trying these tricks. Number 1. Reverse the shirt. Wearing the same shirt can get boring. So, reverse it and see the magic. Wear the shirt in the opposite direction. Tie a knot from the bottom and put a rubber band inside. Wear it with your favorite denim jeans and you are ready to go. Number 2. Bend the shirt. If you are looking for a brand new way to wear the shirt, this hack is for you. Wear the shirt and bend the collar area inside the shirt. You have to tuck the bottom side of the shirt inside the pants. Make sure the buttons are done from the bottom side. You do not have to tuck the buttons from the top. Fold the arm sides to the top. The shirt will turn into a casual top instantly. Mini dress hack. Do you know that you can wear the mini dress in 2 different ways? One is that you can wear it as it is. The second is you can wear a mini skirt with denim jeans. Take the jeans and wear them. Tuck the mini dress inside the pants. Wear the boots and take your favorite purse with you. You are ready to go to the casual lunch. Swimsuit trick. You can wear the swimsuit to go out for regular get-togethers with your friends. Wear a swimsuit and put on the shorts you like. Take the dress shirt of your favorite shade and wear it on the top. Now, tie the front side of the shirt until it becomes a crop top. For boys, iron the shirt. If you are having problems ironing the shirt or you want to go somewhere fast, you can use a hairdryer. It seems like a joke, but you can use it when needed. Take a shower bottle and drizzle water on the shirt. It is time to dry the water drops. Take the hairdryer and dry the shirt. It will help to remove all the wrinkles from the shirt. You can do it before or after wearing the shirt. Fold a tie. If you are the person who is always late because of folding ties in much time, this hack is for you. Take the tie and start folding it in your hands. Now, take the last foldings and bend them inside the loop of the tie. Make sure you fold them in your hand rightly. It will take less than 10 seconds to fold a tie like this. Wear it and go to the office. See, it becomes easy instantly. Make the collar fixed. Every man faces a problem when it comes to fixing the collar in the right position. You can use a paper clip to avoid this problem. Take a paper clip and open it from the upper side. Tuck it inside the lower end of the collar and fix the collar now. The bending of the clip will make it fix. It will stay in a place for a very long time. Tuck the shirt for a long time. The dress shirt will come out from the pant after some time. Sometimes you have the time to tuck it again. But sometimes you are not in the right place in time. You can this hack so that your shirt stays in the place for a long time. Fold the sides of the shirt and tuck them into the pants. Then, button up the pants and zip them up. Pocket handkerchief. A tuxedo is incomplete without a pocket handkerchief. You can fold it wonderfully to look attractive at the party. Take the handkerchief and fold it in a triangle shape. Fold again in the same shape. But this time, leave a small gap between them. Repeat the same process until you have 4 small triangles with equal distance between them. Keep it straight in the pocket and look like a hero. Fold the sleeves. Many men do not know how to fold the sleeves correctly. They roll up their sleeves without knowing that it will leave a bad impression. Use this DIY hack to fold the sleeves in a better way and see the difference. Make a large folding at first. Then, roll up towards the cuff. That's it. It is the correct way. Neon shoelaces. Shoelaces are something that gets dirty in a very fast manner. You can clean them and make them shine in dark using this hack. Take 1 can of Schweppes, 1 tablespoon of peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl. Soak your shoelaces in the bowl and let them rest for some time. Wear them again and see the difference. You will notice that the shoelaces start to shine like a neon light in the dark. I hope you all liked the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Hit on the like button because it motivates me to make more content for you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.